Space food. What comes to mind? Many imagine flavorless tubes of paste consumed by astronauts floating in zero gravity. The image of squeezing a meal out of a tube might seem unappetizing to most of us. However, the reality of space food is far more appetizing. Over the years, space agencies have worked tirelessly to improve the quality and variety of food available to astronauts. Astronauts today enjoy a surprisingly diverse menu, including everything from steak and shrimp to spicy green chili. These meals are carefully prepared to ensure they are both nutritious and enjoyable. Gone are the days of bland, freeze-dried meals. Modern space food packaging allows for a variety of textures and flavors, making mealtime a more pleasant experience. Modern space food aims to be both nutritious and delicious, catering to the unique challenges and demands of space travel. The food must withstand the rigors of space while providing essential nutrients. It's a far cry from the early days of space exploration when astronauts relied on bite-sized cubes of food and pureed meals. Back then, the focus was purely on sustenance, with little regard for taste. The evolution of space food is a testament to human ingenuity and our constant drive to make even the most extraordinary experiences feel a little bit closer to home. From the early days of space travel to the present, the advancements in space cuisine have been remarkable. It's a reminder that even in the vastness of space, a good meal can make all the difference. Sharing a meal can bring a sense of normalcy and comfort, even when you're millions of miles away from Earth. Why should we care about what astronauts eat? It's a question that might seem trivial at first glance, but the answer is deeply intertwined with the success of human space exploration. Space food is not just about satisfying hunger. It's about maintaining the health, morale, and performance of astronauts living and working in the extreme environment of space. Imagine spending months confined in a spacecraft, orbiting Earth at thousands of miles per hour. The psychological impact of such isolation can be significant. Simple pleasures like enjoying a tasty and familiar meal can make a world of difference in boosting morale and combating feelings of homesickness. More than just a morale booster, space food is carefully engineered to provide the precise nutrients astronauts need to maintain their physical health in space. From bone density loss to muscle atrophy, the human body faces unique challenges in microgravity. Space food is formulated to combat these effects, ensuring astronauts have the energy and stamina to perform their demanding tasks. The development of space food has come a long way since the early days of space exploration. Initially, astronauts had to contend with unappetizing, paste-like substances squeezed out of tubes. Today, they enjoy a variety of meals that are not only nutritious but also flavorful and enjoyable. This evolution in space cuisine is a testament to the advancements in food science and technology. Scientists and nutritionists work tirelessly to create meals that can withstand the rigors of space travel while still providing a taste of home. The importance of space food extends beyond the confines of the spacecraft. The research and innovations in this field have the potential to impact food production and nutrition on Earth, especially in areas facing food scarcity and malnutrition. As we look towards future missions to Mars and beyond, the role of space food will become even more critical. Long-duration missions will require food that can remain stable and nutritious for extended periods, ensuring the well-being of astronauts on these distant journeys. In conclusion, space food is far more than just sustenance. It is a vital component of space missions, supporting the physical and mental health of astronauts, and driving innovations that benefit us all. So the next time you think about space travel, remember that what astronauts eat is a key ingredient in the recipe for success. Space food is formulated to combat these effects, ensuring astronauts have the energy and stamina to perform their demanding tasks. Eating in space is no easy feat. The absence of gravity turns a simple meal into a complex task. Imagine trying to enjoy a bowl of soup in a constantly shifting, weightless environment. The liquid doesn't stay in the bowl, it floats around, making it nearly impossible to eat without special tools. The very act of getting food from your plate to your mouth becomes a challenge, with crumbs and droplets threatening to float away and potentially interfere with sensitive equipment. Every bite must be carefully managed to avoid creating a mess. To overcome these challenges, scientists and engineers have developed ingenious solutions. They have to think about every aspect of food consumption, from packaging to the texture of the food itself. Food is carefully packaged to prevent crumbs and spills, often in pouches with straws or bite-sized pieces that can be easily consumed. These packages are designed to be user-friendly and minimize waste. Salt and pepper come in liquid form to prevent them from dispersing into the air. Traditional seasonings would float away and could clog air filters or get into the astronauts' eyes. Even the simple act of drinking requires special attention. Without gravity, liquids don't pour, they float in blobs. Liquids behave differently in microgravity, tending to clump together in large blobs. This unique behavior requires astronauts to use special techniques to manage their drinks. Astronauts use specially designed pouches with straws to drink, carefully squeezing the liquid into their mouths. This method ensures that they can stay hydrated without the liquid floating away. Over the years, space food has evolved dramatically. Early astronauts relied on bite-sized cubes of food coated in gelatin to prevent crumbs, and pureed meals squeezed from tubes. While these early attempts provided essential sustenance, they were far from appetizing. Today's astronauts enjoy a far more diverse and palatable menu. Dehydrated meals, a staple of space travel, have come a long way. By adding water and heating the pouches, astronauts can enjoy everything from scrambled eggs and bacon to chicken teriyaki and vegetables. Fresh produce is also making its way onto the space station, thanks to advances in hydroponic gardening. Astronauts can now enjoy the taste and nutritional benefits of fresh lettuce, tomatoes, and even peppers grown in space. A taste of home astronaut food favorites. While space food has advanced significantly, astronauts still miss their favorite earthly treats. Many astronauts bring along personal food items like snacks or condiments to add a touch of home to their space meals. One particularly relatable story involves astronaut Peggy Whitson, who famously craved salsa during her time on the International Space Station. To satisfy her craving, Mission Control arranged for a special delivery of salsa to be sent up on a resupply mission. This anecdote highlights the importance of food in maintaining morale and connection to Earth. Even small comforts like a favorite condiment can make a big difference in the challenging environment of space. Section 6. Fueling the Future, Space Food's Critical Role. As we venture further into space, the importance of sustainable and nutritious food systems becomes even more crucial. Long-duration missions to Mars and beyond will require innovative solutions to food production and consumption. Imagine a future where astronauts cultivate their own food on spacecraft or even on other planets, reducing reliance on Earth-based resupply missions. This vision of space agriculture is not science fiction. It's a necessary step towards establishing a permanent human presence in space. The food we eat in space is not just about sustenance, it's about pushing the boundaries of human ingenuity and ensuring the success of our future explorations. Space farming, a growing solution. The challenges of growing food in space are immense. Microgravity, limited resources, and the need for closed-loop systems require innovative approaches to agriculture. However, scientists are making significant strides in developing space farming techniques. Hydroponics, a method of growing plants without soil, has emerged as a promising solution for space agriculture. Plants are grown in nutrient-rich water solutions, with LED lights providing the necessary energy for photosynthesis. Another promising area of research is vertical farming, where plants are grown in stacked layers to maximize space efficiency. This approach is particularly well suited for space habitats where space is limited. Beyond the meal tray, the future of space food. The future of space food goes beyond simply replicating Earth-based meals. Scientists are exploring innovative ways to create food tailored to the unique nutritional needs of astronauts in space. 3D printed food is one such frontier. Imagine a future where astronauts can print customized meals on demand, selecting from a database of ingredients and textures. This technology could revolutionize space food, allowing for personalized nutrition and reducing food waste. Another area of exploration is the development of closed-loop food systems, where waste products are recycled and reused to create new food sources. This approach would be essential for long-duration missions, minimizing reliance on Earth-based resources. Space food for all, from orbit to your table. The innovations in space food technology have the potential to benefit not only astronauts but also people on Earth. The challenges of producing food in space have led to breakthroughs in sustainable agriculture, food preservation, and nutrition. Many of the technologies developed for space food, such as hydroponics and vertical farming, are now being adopted on Earth to address challenges related to food security, climate change, and resource scarcity. The quest to nourish humans in space is driving innovation that could help create a more sustainable and food-secure future for everyone. By pushing the boundaries of what's possible, We can bring the wonders of space exploration down to Earth, improving lives one meal at a time.